Hello, you beautiful people. The explorer here, ready to spill the beans on one of my favorite places, Ibiza. Ibiza thumping bass, legendary gay scene, and yes, a haven for the young and wild. But what if you're a distinguished gent over 50 craving that Balearic magic with a side of comfort? This video is your guide to Ibiza for the Silver Fox Brigade, where the vibe is right. The company is charming and the good times roll as smoothly as a well-aged Rioja. So grab a drink, settle in, and let's discover the ultimate gay Ibiza experience for the discerning chap. It's going to be amazing. Let's kick things off with a true Ibiza institution, the Purple Hotel. This isn't just a place to stay. It's a vibrant landmark, a beacon of good times in San Antonio, instantly recognizable and utterly inviting. And it's exclusively men only, creating that relaxed, welcoming vibe where you can truly be yourself. Think of it as your stylish friend's villa, but with a whole lot more sunshine and a dedicated team to cater to your every need. It's laid back, comfortable, a place where you can instantly unwind and feel at home. And it's absolutely perfect for unwinding by the pool with a cocktail in hand. The staff are a dream. Truly, they go above and beyond. Always ready with a smile, making you feel like a valued guest from the moment you arrive. Whether you need a recommendation for the best local tapas, or a perfectly well-mixed drink to start your evening. Mornings begin with a leisurely breakfast, setting the tone for a relaxed day ahead, followed by sunbathing and soaking up the Mediterranean rays. And easy conversation with new friends, creating connections that can last long after your vacation ends. The decor is fun and quirky, adding to the hotel's unique personality. With signature purple touches everywhere, a playful nod to its iconic name. Rooms are well appointed, designed with your comfort in mind, offering a cozy retreat after a day of Ibizan mischief, ensuring you get a good night's sleep. It's not over-the-top luxury, aiming for understated elegance and comfort, but it's got everything you need for a fantastic stay, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. Done with panache, adding a touch of flair to your vacation. The Purple Hotel is more than a place to sleep, it's a social hub. It's a destination in itself, a place you'll want to return to year after year. A community where you can connect with like-minded travelers, sharing stories and creating memories. And a slice of purple paradise, offering an unforgettable Ibiza experience. If you want instant ease and a stress-free vacation, warmth that envelops you from the moment you step inside, and friendly faces that make you feel like you're among friends, put this at the top of your list. You won't regret it. After all, who doesn't love a bit of purple? It's the color of royalty, creativity, and unforgettable holidays. Next up, Axel Beach Ibiza, a name synonymous with style and inclusivity. Stylish, comfortable, with rooms designed for ultimate relaxation, and unapologetically gay-friendly. It's a place where everyone can feel welcome and celebrated. Located in the beautiful Cala de Bo, it's tranquil yet buzzing, offering the perfect balance of serenity and social energy. The hotel boasts a showstopper pool perfect for lazy afternoons spent soaking up the sun. There's a gym if you're feeling energetic, allowing you to keep up with your fitness routine even on vacation. But the real treat is the spa, a sanctuary for rejuvenation. Indulge in massages, revitalizing facials, and the soothing heat of the steam room to pamper yourself from head to toe. The beachside location means you're just steps away from the soft sand and sparkling waters, and those divine sunset views that Ibiza is famous for. It's the perfect place to truly switch off, disconnect from the everyday, let the gentle waves soothe your soul, washing away any stress or worries, and completely recharge your batteries. Axel Beach attracts a sophisticated, welcoming crowd, people who appreciate the finer things in life, no stuffiness, just good company and chic surroundings that invite you to relax and be yourself. Whether you're lounging poolside with a refreshing drink, indulging in a treatment in the spa, or sipping a sundowner as the sky explodes with color, it's all about embracing pleasure and prioritizing relaxation. Enjoy the finer things, savor delicious cuisine, meet interesting people from all walks of life, and feel completely at home in this welcoming and inclusive environment. This is holidaying at its absolute best, a true escape from reality, maximum pleasure, and absolutely minimum stress. Isn't that, after all, what a truly good holiday is all about? Let's talk Hotel Zenit in Figueretas, a modern minimalist gem with killer views. It's close to Ibiza town for easy exploring, but just removed enough for tranquility. The pool terrace is a star soak up the sun, take a dip, and gaze at the endless blue Formentera in the distance. Rooms are bright, airy, and many have balconies with those stunning Mediterranean views. It's like having your own chic apartment by the sea. Hotel Zenit is perfect for those who love contemporary style and a relaxed atmosphere but still want to be near the action. Popular with couples and solo travelers, it's a place to unwind and feel well looked after. Sophisticated, welcoming, and never impersonal. Modern comfort, Ibizan soul, pure bliss. No gay guide to Ibiza is complete without a visit to Escavale Beach. It's a cornerstone of the island's gay scene, a place where memories are made and friendships blossom under the warm Mediterranean sun. This is the island's most famous gay beach, a must-visit destination for anyone seeking sun, sea, and a vibrant atmosphere. It's wild, unspoiled, and wonderfully unique as it's part of a protected nature reserve, ensuring its beauty remains untouched for years to come. Picture this. Rolling dunes that seem to stretch on forever and crystal-clear waters that invite you for a refreshing dip. The southern end is where the magic truly happens. It's the undisputed gay hotspot. Here, you'll find sun-kissed bodies, infectious laughter filling the air, music pulsating through the sand, and a palpable sense of freedom that washes over you. It's a place to truly be yourself. And at the heart of it all is Civilised, the legendary beach bar that serves as the social hub. They offer expertly crafted cocktails, delicious food to tantalize your taste buds, and those iconic Balearic beats that keep the energy high all day long. The vibe is undeniably lively, yet wonderfully laid back and welcoming. You'll be greeted by friendly staff and surrounded by a diverse and inclusive crowd. So, grab a sun lounger, order some fresh seafood, and simply watch the world go by at your own pace. Or, if you're feeling social, strike up a conversation at the bar and make some new friends. A full day spent at Escavale, culminating with sundowners at Civilised as the sky explodes with color, is an absolute must-do experience. It truly captures the essence of gay Ibiza, with its natural beauty, sense of freedom, the infectious music, and the strong sense of community that binds everyone together. So, pack your best kaftan, those stylish sunglasses, and don't forget the all-important sunscreen. Prepare yourself for pure, unadulterated joy, and of course, a great tan to show off when you get home. Seriously, don't forget the sunscreen, because lobster red is definitely not a good look on anyone. If Escavale feels a bit much, Ibiza has other gay-friendly beaches with a more tranquil vibe. Figueretas is convenient with a charming promenade and a relaxed gay presence, perfect for a quick dip and people-watching. Las Salinas is iconic. Long, pale sand turquoise waters and a chic international crowd. The southern end near Satrinxa is the gay section, laid back with DJs spinning chilled tunes. Both beaches offer a different flavor. Figueretas is easygoing. Las Salinas is glamorous. Swim, stroll, or just soak up the scene. There's a perfect patch of sand for everyone. Ideal for gay men over 50 who want a great beach day without the full-on party. Ibiza's beaches are as diverse as its visitors. Sometimes a towel on the sand just won't do. A gentleman needs comfort, shade, and attentive service. Enter Ibiza's refined beach clubs. Plush loungers, elegant decor, and menus far beyond the basic sandwich. These havens offer tranquility, impeccable service, and delicious food. Think fresh seafood and chilled rose. Settle in for an afternoon of leisure, good company, and sea breezes. Many are attached to smart hotels or restaurants away from the crowds. It's about quality over chaos, comfort over commotion. Treat yourself to a day at a relaxed beach club. You deserve it. Experience the luxurious, laid-back side of Ibiza. Time for a culture fix. Dalt Vila, Ibiza's UNESCO-listed Old Town, is a must. Wander cobbled streets, discover ancient archways, and soak up the atmosphere. Climb to the cathedral for panoramic views or explore small museums for a taste of Ibiza's rich history. Dalt Vila is also a shopping paradise. Unique boutiques, artisan crafts, and stylish resort wear. Enjoy a coffee or meal in a charming square surrounded by centuries of history. It's an immersive experience, a perfect break from sun and sand. For those who love history, beauty, and a bit of retail therapy, Dalt Vila is unmissable. Absolutely captivating. Ibiza's hippie spirit lives on at its famous markets, Las Dalias and Punta Arabí. Las Dalias, near San Carlos, is boutique and festival-like, with stalls selling handmade leather and jewelry, kaftans, and global crafts. Punta Arabí in Escanar is the original, sprawling under pine trees with hundreds of stalls and live music. Both markets are vibrant, friendly, and full of unique finds, perfect for souvenirs or a treat for yourself. The atmosphere is relaxed and creative with fantastic people watching. Embrace your inner hippie, haggle politely, and soak up the groovy vibes. Whether you're after fashion, crafts, or just a colorful day out, these markets are a must. Connect with Ibiza's free-spirited side and discover some treasures. A new kaftan never hurt anyone. Go on, you know you want to. After all that exploring, it's time to eat, and Ibiza's culinary scene is a delight. Ibiza town offers everything from modern European to Japanese, Peruvian, and classic Mediterranean fare. Dine in candlelit squares or on terraces overlooking the marina. Dress up, enjoy superb food, and soak in the ambiance. Venture inland to agroturismos, rustic farmhouses serving fresh local seasonal dishes in tranquil settings. These meals are memorable, farm-to-table freshness, creative twists, and a taste of the island's heritage. Many agroturismos produce their own olive oil, wine, or hierbas, sample and savor. Be adventurous, try local specialties, and ask for recommendations. In Ibiza, eating well is part of the adventure. Ibiza's nightlife isn't just for the all-night ravers. There's plenty for the discerning gent. Cal de la Virgen in Ibiza town is the heart of gay nightlife-friendly bars, late-night boutiques, and a flamboyant, welcoming vibe. Perfect for early evening cocktails, people watching, and soaking up the energy. Elsewhere, find stylish lounge bars and cocktail spots. Think relaxed conversations, sea views, and quality drinks. Superclubs like Pacha and Amnesia still dazzle, especially on LGBTQ+ nights. Dip your toe in for a taste of the legendary scene. The key is to pick what suits you, a quiet drink, a lively street, or a special club night. Ibiza's evenings are as varied as its days. Find your groove. There's something for everyone. The sparkle is still there, just waiting for you. Cheers to that. There you have it, a whirlwind guide to Ibiza in style for the over 50, fun-loving gent. From stunning hotels and beaches to culture, shopping, and dining, Ibiza truly has it all. Visit in May, June, September, or October for fewer crowds and glorious weather. For a real highlight, time your trip for Ibiza Gay Pride in June, a joyful celebration of community and inclusion. If you enjoyed this guide, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and consider becoming a member for more adventures. Until next time, stay sexy and keep traveling. Life's too short for boring holidays.